So what we're doing here is we're trying to find the shorter side of a triangle, so of a right angle triangle. So we've been given the hypotenuse and we're trying to find one of the other sides. This will always be less than the hypotenuse. If it's not, then there's something wrong with your maths. So let's have a look. Now, we know that Pythagoras' theorem is a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Oh, sorry, it's not plus c squared. Oh no. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's what we know is the case. But if we've got c, then we're trying to solve for another one. We'll be solving for a. So what we end up doing here is we'll make this c squared minus b squared equals a squared. And that's just it. And then from there we substitute our values. So in here, what we'll do is, to solve this one, we'll do 20 squared minus 12 squared equals a squared. So we're going to take the square root of all that. 20 squared minus 12 squared, and that will give us our value for a. Likewise, over here, c squared minus b squared equals a squared. So 26 squared minus 10 squared equals a squared. So we'll take the square root. 26 squared minus 10 squared will equal a. Now we just put that, you can put both of those into a calculator and solve a, and that's all that we need to do. So just to reiterate, here we have Pythagoras' theorem to find the hypotenuse. If we've got the hypotenuse, like we have here, we rearrange it so it's the hypotenuse minus the other side that we know. We've called it b here, but you can call it a, it doesn't matter. So it's the hypotenuse minus the other side. And then we substitute into the theorem, and then we solve for the unknown.